Good morning, students. Okay, very good morning to all. Now, welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School, Mudhol. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Mantur. Okay, see here, this is 5th standard class. Okay, this is 5th standard class subject English. Okay, 5th standard class subject English. Okay, this is 5th standard class and English subject. Okay. See here, students. All of you see here. In previous class, we will start one of the interesting lesson. Which lesson we will start yesterday? Which lesson we will complete? Half of the lesson we will complete yesterday. Okay, sixth lesson. Lesson number is 6. Lesson name is Clo confused. Clo confused. Okay, see here. Lesson number 6. Confused. Okay, see here. Now all of you open your textbook page number 60. Page number 62. Page number 62. Page number 62. Now all of you open your textbook. Okay, I hope now all of you open your textbook. So, see here, student. Previous class we are all learned. Clo is a lesson. Clo confused. Clo already very cross. Why she was cross? Because her teacher and her friends also, and Charlie is also teased to her. Always teased to her because of her name. Because of her name. Okay. So she was very angry with them and angry with her parents also, because why they gave this name. When she was angry that time, her mother asked to her what happened. Okay, that time she told to her mom all. Okay, told to her mom all. Then her mom and Clo is also go to walk and talk about it. Okay, that time they both are her mother and Clo is also go to church and her mother recognized to Clo. Why? Clo pronounced K-L-O-E. That time she was recognized, and then she was helped. She was thanks to her mom. Okay, thanks to her mom. That sometimes help to Clo help to her mom. Okay, when she was didn't able to read the church board, that time her mom helped to her, and then she was recognized what the word ch word pronounced Clo, pronounced K. Okay, then come to page number 65. Page number 65. Okay, realize. Okay, page number 65. So now we start the lesson. Stream. Okay, stream means stream. Christopher Cathedral. Christopher Cathedral. Who is that person? Christopher Cathedral. Who is that person? Okay, see the next lesson. Here you see another name like yours. Here you see another name like yours that begins with CH and makes a K sound as in cot. Sound as in cot, said Mrs. Cheryl. Then they went to a cafe and Mrs. Cheryl bought some chips for Chloe. I think you know what sound C and H make in chips, said Mrs. Cheryl to her daughter. Yes, ma'am, said Chloe. And then at the chemist shop, Chloe said with a smile, Mom, I also know what sound C and H make in the word chemist. They make the K sound as in my name. Chloe now understood what her mother meant by a reading walk. Then they came to a restaurant where a sign at the window said new chef needed. Chloe looked at the sign and said, Chef begins the CH and makes a SH sound as the one is ship. The mother and daughter went back home smiling. The next day, Chloe met Charlie at the school gate. I have something to show you, she said and pointed to the board at the school gate. What does that say? She asked. Christ Church School of Chandigarh. Read Charlie. Christ Church School in Chandigarh. Read Charlie. But I thought C and H always make a CH sound as in chum, said Chloe with a smile. Charlie had a hang his head in shame. See here. Here you see another name like yours. Her mom said to Cheryl. Sorry. Here you see another name like yours that begins with CH and makes a K sound as in cot, said Mrs. Cheryl. Mrs. Cheryl said to her daughter Chloe. Here you see another name. Here you see another name like yours. You are like Chloe. Okay, see another names like your name. Then that begins with CH. Okay, CH and makes a K sound. Okay. Then is in cot, said Mrs. Cheryl. Is in cot. Okay, अब याद खड़ा करता CH sound K made sound ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ CHLOE ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು KLOE ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬೇರೆ ಐತಿ, ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾರ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳು ಬಿಗಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ಸೇಮ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಮಾಮ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾಳೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಎನದರ್ ನೇಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಆ ನೇಮ್ಗಳು CH ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ದೇ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು cafe and Mrs. Cheryl bought some chips for Chloe. See here. Then they went to cafe. Both her mom and her also went to cafe and Mrs. Cheryl bought some chips. See here students. Chips is also begin with the CH word. Okay. Then chips for Chloe. I think you know what sound C and H make in chips. See here. I think you know. Say to Chloe. Mrs. Cheryl said to Chloe, I think you know C and H. Make sound chips. Okay, make sound chips. Then said Mrs. Cheryl to her daughter. Yes, mom, said Chloe. Okay, she was agree that because the chips is a CHIPS. Okay, begin word CH. C and H pronounce is a CH. Chair. Okay, so chips. Okay, she was also agree that. Then at the chemist shop. Then both are going to chemist shop. Chloe said with a smile. her mom, "Mom, I also know what sound C and H make in the word chemist." Okay, first her mom gave to her, bowed to her cheeks. Okay, that word also begin with the CH, and that time she was learn CH pronounced cheeks. Okay, then go to chemist shop. That time she was also know what sound C and H make in word chemist. Make in word chemist. Okay, they make the K sound as in my name. ಅವಾಗ ಆಕೆಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರೊಳಗೆ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಆಕೆಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಕ್ಲೋ ನೌ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹರ್ ಮದರ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ವಾಕ್ಸ್. ನೌ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹರ್ ಮದರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅ reading walk. Why her mother going to a read walk with her. Now she was realized. Okay, then they came to restaurant. They both are all came to restaurant. Her mom and Chloe also came to restaurant, where a sign at the window said new chef needed. Where both are means Chloe and her mom go to window side. That time sign at the window said, sign at one of the sign at the window side, one of the man shouted new chef needed. New chef needed. Serious students, this is the CHEF. Okay, CHEF chef pronounced, but it's not correct. Okay, chef it's not correct, so we pronounce chef. Okay, we pronounce chef this word. See here students, all of you see this box. Okay, chef pronounced chef. Okay, chef pronounced chef. Okay, chef means the chief cook in restaurant. The chief cook in restaurant. See here, then they came to restaurant when Chloe and her mom came to restaurant. That time one of the man side of the window he was shouted new chef needed. New chef needed. Chef means one of the chief cook in restaurant. Okay, Chloe looked at the sign and said, Chloe that time she was look at the window and said to her mom, what she say? Chief begins with CH. Chief begins with CH but makes us SH. Chief begins with CH. See here, chief begins with CH word. Okay, but pronounced with SH. Pronounced with SH sounds as the one in sheep. Okay, sheep. SHEF sheep. ಅದು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ SHEEP ಶಿಪ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳ? chef pronounce sheep, pronounce sheep, pronounce SHEP sheep, and pronounce that also a sound sheep. Okay, the mother and daughter went back home smiling. Now she realized, so she and her mom going to back to home with a smile. The next day Chloe met Charlie. The next day Chloe met Charlie at the school gate. I have something to show you, she said, and pointed to the board at the school gate. See here, when she was come to school, tomorrow she was come to school, that time she met a Charlie. He was always teased to her that person. Okay, she met Charlie at the school gate. That time she asked to him, I have something to show you. And pointed to the board at the school gate, and she pointed to the board at the school gate. Okay, that time she asked to him, I something to show you, and pointed to the board at the school gate. What does that say? She asked. What does that say? She asked, pointed to the board. That time she asked to Charlie, what does that say? This board. Okay, this board. What does that say? Asked to Charlie. Christ Church School of Chandigarh. Read Charlie. That time Charlie read that board. Christ Church School of Chandigarh. Christ Church School of Chandigarh. See here students. Christ. 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 Begin with the CH word, but we pronounce Christ. Okay, we pronounce Cree. Okay, see here students. Now Charlie read that board. Christ Church School of the Chandigarh. Read Charlie. That time she said to her, reply to him, but I thought, C and H always make a CH sound as, but I thought C and H always make a sound CH. Okay, sound as chump, in chump. Said Chloe with a smile, to Charlie. Chump means a stupid person. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಂಡೀಗರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ, ಸಿ ಎಚ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದೈತಿ. ಹೌದು, ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ನಾವ್ ಏನಂತ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಓದ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ, ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿದೇ ಇರೋ ಯಾರಿಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಚಾರ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವು. ಆ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗೇಟಿನ, ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬೋರ್ಡನ್ನೇ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾಳ. ಏನಂತ, ಈ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಓದ್ತಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಓದ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಓದ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಓದ್ತಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತತಿ, ಶೇಮ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಶೇಮ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಅವ್ನಿಗೇನಾಗ್ತತಿ, ಅವನಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅವನೇ ಶೇಮ್ ಆಗ್ತತಿ. ಹೌದು, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅವ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೆಸರು ಐತಿ. ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕ್ಲೋಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಚಾರ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಶೇಮ್. ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತತಿ, ಅವನ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆನ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕೋದಷ್ಟು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತತಿ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಶೇಮ್ ಆಗ್ತತಿ ಅವಂಗ. ಹೌದು, ಸಿ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ begin with the same letter but pronunciation was a different. Okay, pronunciation was a different. So for example, Christ. Okay, Christ and Clo and chef. Okay, chef. Okay, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗವೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಯೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಹೌದು, ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಅವುಗಳ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕ್ಲೋ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ವೈ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸಿ ಎಚ್. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲೋ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ her mom helped to her. Okay, her mom, Mrs. Cheryl, helped to Chloe. She was realized what they pronounced was Chloe. What her name was Chloe. Okay, now she was realized and then she was replied to Charlie. End of the chapter, she replied to Charlie, and that time Charlie was shamed to himself and feel like a hang his head in shame. He hanged in head in shame. Okay, I hope now all of you understood this lesson. Okay, now I hope all of you understood this lesson. Okay, next class we will go to next lesson, means sixth lesson. Next one is poem. Above Ben Adham. Okay, next class we will start this poem. Okay, all of you read in your home this lesson. Okay, all of you read in your home this lesson and difficult words also. Okay, thank you one and all. We will meet next class. Okay, next class with next poem. Okay, thank you. All of you read in your home this lesson. Okay.